스티븐, 어떤 계절을 좋아하세요?
저는 가을을 좋아해요.
왜 가을이 좋아요?
단풍이 예뻐서요. 해나는 어떤 계절 좋아하세요?
저는 겨울을 좋아해요. 춥지만 눈이 내리잖아요. Hi!
What's up?
Welcome back to another episode of
한국남매, where you get to learn to speak Korean and hear us talk about all things Korean custom culture related. So join the family and hit that subscribe button.
Please!
What are we gonna talk about today?
계절,
계절. What is a 계절?
season,
A season. Okay, season. So here in Korea we have how many seasons?
4 seasons.
4 seasons.
4, boom, right?
Yeah.
캐나다는 어때요?
We have 4 seasons,
진짜?
but 2 of those seasons are super short.
Anyway.
The way I feel it is a long winter and then a summer and then 2 shorter little seasons. What about out here?
Yeah, we have 4 seasons too. Spring, summer, autumn, fall?
Autumn or fall, both are
Autumn
good.
for winter. Let's learn about 4 seasons. Spring is
봄. Spring, 봄.
just one syllable. 봄.
봄, 봄.
봄.
Okay, 봄.
And summer is 여름.
여름.
And autumn is 가을.
가을.
And winter is 겨울.
겨울.
스티븐, 어떤 계절을 좋아하세요?
저는 가을을 좋아해요.
왜 가을이 좋아요?
단풍이 예뻤어요. 해나는 어떤 계절을 좋아하세요?
저는 겨울을 좋아해요. 춥지만 눈이 내리잖아요. 스티븐, 어떤 계절을 좋아하세요?
저는 가을을 좋아해요.
왜 가을이 좋아요?
단풍이 예뻤어요. 해나는 어떤 계절을 좋아하세요?
저는 겨울을 좋아해요. 춥지만 눈이 내리잖아요. I just come up with the interesting thing. In Korea,
Yeah.
아이들 이름을 지을 때
Yeah.
봄, 여름, 가을, 겨울로 지어요.
Sometimes children are named over seasons.
어,
Really, I've never met a kid that was
진짜?
a person. Yeah.
캐나다는 어때요? How about Canada?
No, I've never met a summer or winter or a fall.
진짜?
Yeah, but I have met a Tuesday.
진짜?
Yeah, I have a cousin that's called Tuesday. A second cousin?
진짜요?
Yeah.
What was the last name of her?
Weekend. No, I'm just joking. Her last
Oh.
name is I don't know what her last name is.
Tuesday가 네임이었어요.
Yeah, her name, like my name is Steven. Her name is Tuesday. What type of activities do we do in Korea?
In spring, we go picnic.
On picnics a lot. Yeah.
Picnics a lot.
Summertime?
계곡, 바다, 물놀이.
계곡. Going to the valley. There are, as we just mentioned, there are a lot of mountains, mountainsides, and there are a lot of valleys. A lot of people love going out to the valleys. You have a
Right.
nice picnic there, dip your feet in the water, eat some delicious food.
Right.
Oh, I love it. That's nice.
Yeah. 가을에 이제 단풍.
The scenery here in Korea, like, it's absolutely beautiful. If you haven't been to Korea, the way it is like, first of all, the natural landscape is
Right.
absolutely gorgeous. Surrounded, every
Mountains?
neighborhood is surrounded by like mountains and covered in trees. And in the fall
Red,
time,
yellow.
the colors are just
Picture
fantastic.
보여주세요, Martin. How about winter?
People are extremely active out here. A lot of people do a lot of like skating or skiing, I find.
그래요?
Yeah, I've hit the slopes here in Korea. Holy moly. It's very crowded.
Uh-huh.
Do you ski?
Yeah. I love
Are you
skiing.
good?
Yeah.
I'm terrible. So bad.
스티븐, 어떤 계절을 좋아하세요?
저는 가을을 좋아해요.
왜 가을이 좋아요?
단풍이 예뻤어요. 해나는 어떤 계절을 좋아하세요?
저는 겨울을 좋아해요. 춥지만 눈이 내리잖아요. So, I think that's all for today, right?
I think so.
Yeah. From
Us
to you. 한국.
남의
Bye-bye.
열공 나세요.